High protein and great for weight loss, this Turkish lentil soup is packed with flavour and perfect for any time of year. Fresh, hearty and spiced just right, it's the quick, healthy recipe you'll keep making whether it's August heat or January chill. It's an absolute doddle to make as well. All we're going to do is to fry off an onion and some carrot until it's softened. So we're going to give that about 5 minutes on a medium to high heat. And then once that's done, we're going to add in 2 garlic cloves, that's about 10 grams, along with some tomato puree. And then for spices, again, you can be flexible with this, but the ones that I like, I'm using a little bit of chili flakes so it's not too hot, some paprika, not the smoked kind, cumin, and that's it. We're just going to stir that through and fry that for a further 30 seconds before adding in our stock. If you want to keep it completely vegetarian, use vegetable stock. I'm using chicken stock because I think it just gives it a richer flavour. And then we're adding in our lentils. Make sure you've washed and rinsed these first. You don't need to soak them. This is uncooked. It will all happen in the pot. Season it generously with some salt. Give it a good few grinds of black pepper, and that is it. All you're going to do then is just pop the lid on it, reduce the heat down to a simmer, and give it about 45 minutes until the lentils has started to break down.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
You can blend this if you want a really smooth soup, but I like a little bit of bite to it, so I don't think it needs blended. So all you're going to do is just plate it up, and for garnishes, we're going to use a little drizzle of chili oil and some Aleppo pepper or Pool Berber chili flakes. If you don't have them, you could just use regular chili flakes, or if you don't want any heat, leave them, and obviously you could put some parsley on it if you prefer, totally up to you. Anyway, if you want this full recipe, you can get it along with a load of other high protein recipes and soups in my Food for Fitness recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!